This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Roger Remington. Charming 3-bed, 3-bath home on 6.81 unrestricted acres, private mountain living with workshop, garage and wraparound deck. Discover peace and privacy in this spacious 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home nestled on 6.81 unrestricted acres, perfectly located between Blue Ridge, Georgia and Murphy, North Carolina. This property offers a rare blend of serene country living with modern conveniences just a short drive away. Step inside to find a welcoming master suite on the main level laundry, and a warm country kitchen ideal for gathering with family and friends. The open living area leads to a stunning 3-sided wraparound deck, perfect for enjoying the sights and sounds of nature. Downstairs, you'll find a 1-car basement garage and a workshop space, offering plenty of room for hobbies, storage, or even future expansion. Outdoors, there's ample space to create your dream garden, build a fire pit, or simply relax in total seclusion. With no restrictions, the possibilities are endless, whether you're dreaming of a mini farm, vacation rental, or your forever home in the mountains. Don't miss this rare opportunity for true mountain freedom and comfort. For more information,